great thing about this. So with your charging lead for your phone, so long as I've got that the right way around, and I have, and we plug that in like so. Hopefully you can see that. That's car lock for my Range Rover, and oh gosh, all the other rubbish. So that comes up. Apple CarPlay, so continue, agree. Just need to knock this up. CarPlay, finish CarPlay setup, allow, and that's it. Apple CarPlay, brilliant system. I now don't need to touch this phone at all. When I'm driving, I can just let's see, the voice activation, where is it? So that's there. So if I want to go anywhere on the sat nav, navigate to Manchester Airport.
Getting directions to Manchester Airport.
It's as simple as that. It says there go, there's a big button.
Starting route to Manchester Airport.
You don't have
Head
to press
southeast on Blackburn Road, then turn right onto Gregson Lane.
You don't have to press the button to click go, it will just do it automatically if you don't do anything. So again, we'll just do this, voice activation, cancel navigation.
Ending navigation.
So that's it, it won't keep telling us where we're going and where to turn now. You're more probably going to be interested in the Apple CarPlay, and there if I click that, that brings up the display and mirrors your phone, but let me just show you. So messages up there, voice activation here. If you click it for 2 seconds, it will automatically activate Siri, so you don't have to say it. Say it's, and when I said that, it's probably activated yours as well. So you don't have to say that. So send text to Barry.
What do you want to say to Barry?
Barry, I'm just in your favourite vans with Apple CarPlay, the Ford Transit. It's brilliant.
It says, Barry, I'm just...
Red light camera ahead.
Do you want to send it or change it?
Send, please.
Done.
Right, well, it was warning me then of a speed camera and kind of cocked me up. But you'll see there, you heard my phone, you'll see there messages. So I've got a message. Again, you don't even have to touch the display again. You just go to read messages.
Barry said, Barry, I'm just in your favourite vans with Apple CarPlay. The Ford Transit is brilliant.
Red light camera ahead.
Do shut up with your red light cameras.
It says, shut up you red light cameras. Do you want to send it or change it?
No, thank you.
I won't send it.
Okay, so we've discovered that the red light camera is very annoying, or red light camera warning is very annoying. We'll forget about that. So now, what record can we play? Well, first of all, shuffle music.
Here's some music from your Apple Music library.
Eagles. So that was the Eagles. So if I want to play something, a specific track, I'm just, what can I play? Play the Bangles. So, honestly, it's just a fantastic system. There's all sorts of stuff you can do. If you're meeting somebody, you can share your ETA with them, they can share it with you, and it actually shows you where you are in relation to each other. So if you're meeting somebody and you don't want to get there too early, you can just moderate your speed to get there at the same time as they do. Right, so here we go. Here's the red light that they were obviously talking about. And we're going to go right towards the motorway. But again, let's see what else we've got. So you've got music, you've got maps, messages, audio books. There we go, audio books. That's all the ones I'm listening to at the moment. Or we've got Audible. So 2 lots of audio books. There you go. Aurelio Zen. One of my favourite characters in the books. Go back. So go back, miss there. You've got Spotify. You can just do calendar. It's brilliant. YouTube Music. You can listen to YouTube soundtracks. It's fantastic. We'll go back to, there you go, that shows you the last things you've used. But we'll go back to the map so that you can see what I'm doing. And with the map on, it's so easy. You can see what's coming up. There you go. I can zoom in like so. Pinch, swipe outwards. It really is just a well-equipped van.